You're eating clean. You're trying to stay active. But your energy feels completely gone. Across the US, even healthy people are saying the same thing: I feel tired all the time. No motivation. Brain fog. Low energy, even after sleep. So what's going on? Most people blame work stress. Some blame age. Others think it's just winter blues. The real problem is something very few people fix. Your body clock is completely off. Winter changes how your body handles energy. And most people ignore it. Less sunlight affects your circadian rhythm. Your sleep timing shifts. Hormones like cortisol and melatonin go out of balance. Even if you sleep 7 to 8 hours, your body doesn't feel restored. And here's the shocking part. Trying harder actually makes it worse. More caffeine. Harder workouts. Late nights. All of it drains energy even more. Here's how healthy people fix winter fatigue. Morning light exposure. Consistent sleep and wake time. Lighter evenings. Gentle movement instead of burnout workouts. Low energy isn't a weakness. It's a signal. Fix the timing. And your energy comes back. Follow for simple health tips that actually work.